Fibonacci. Fibonacci, also called Leonardo Pisano, English Leonardo of Pisa, original name Leonardo Fibonacci, medieval Italian mathematician who wrote Liber Abaci, the first European work on Indian and Arabian mathematics. Little is known about Fibonacci's life beyond the few facts given in his mathematical writings. During Fibonacci's boyhood, his father, Guglielmo, a peasant merchant, was appointed consul over the community of peasant merchants in the North African port of Bujia. Fibonacci was sent to study calculation with an Arab master. He later went to Egypt, Syria, Greece, Sicily, and Provence, where he studied different numerical systems and methods of calculation. When Fibonacci's Liber Abaci first appeared, Hindu-Arabic numerals were known to only a few European intellectuals through translations of the writings of the 9th century Arab mathematician Al-Khawarizm. The first 7 chapters dealt with the notation explaining the principle of place value, by which the position of a figure determines whether it is a unit, 10, 100, and so forth, and demonstrating the use of the numerals in arithmetical operations. The techniques were then applied to such practical problems as profit margin, barter, money changing, conversion of weights and measures, partnerships, and interest. Most of the work was devoted to speculative mathematics, proportion, the rule of false position, extraction of roots, and the properties of numbers, concluding with some geometry and algebra. In 1220, Fibonacci produced a brief work, the Practiso Geometrique, which included 8 chapters of theorems based on Euclid's Elements and on divisions. The Liber Abaci, which was widely copied and imitated, drew the attention of the Holy Roman Emperor Frederick II. In the 1220s, Fibonacci was invited to appear before the emperor at Pisa, and there John of Palermo, a member of Frederick's scientific entourage, propounded a series of problems, 3 of which Fibonacci presented in his books. The first 2 belonged to a favorite Arabic type, the indeterminate, which had been developed by the 3rd century Greek mathematicians Diophantus. This was an equation with 2 or more unknowns for which the solution must be in rational numbers. The third problem was a third degree equations, which Fibonacci solved by a trial and error method known as approximations. He arrived at the answer in sexagesimal fractions, which, when translated into modern decimals, is correct to 9 decimal places. Contributions to number theory. For several years, Fibonacci corresponded with Frederick II and his scholars, exchanging problems with them. He dedicated his Liber Quadratorum to Frederick, devoted entirely to Diophantine equations of the 2nd degree. The Liber Quadratorum is considered Fibonacci's masterpiece. It is a systematically arranged collection of theorems, many invented by the author, who used his own proofs to work out general solutions. Probably his most creative work was incongruent numbers, numbers that give the same remainder when divided by a given number. He worked out an original solution for finding a number that, when added to or subtracted from a square number, leaves a square number. His statement that x square plus y square and x square minus y square could not both be squares was of great importance to the determination of the area of rational right triangles. Although the Liber Abaci was more influential and broader in scope, the Liber Quadratorum alone ranks Fibonacci as the major contributor to number theory between Diophantus and the 17th century French mathematician Pierre de Fermat. Except for his role in spreading the use of the Hindu-Arabic numerals, Fibonacci's contribution to mathematics has been largely overlooked. His name is known to the modern mathematician mainly because of the Fibonacci sequence, derived from a problem in the Liber Abaci.